Okay, so that thing on my lip, right there, it was a blackhead. I tried to pop it. I didn't get all of it out, and now it's crusty, and it looks like that. I'm sorry, I can't. I've tried to get rid of it, but it's stubborn. Ooh. Hey guys, today I thought it would be a good idea to film myself doing my everyday makeup routine. I don't know what I'm doing. Basically, just kind of copy what all the makeup gurus do to try to look like them and not like this. First, I'm going to be using the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I use this on my cheeks where my pores are. And I also put this stuff on my forehead because I've noticed I'm getting a few Grand Canyon-like holes in my face. And then I get the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. I'm in the color Light 5 Fiji. And I squirt it on the cap of my primer. And I take my beauty blender and put it on my face. Next, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair. I'm going to set everywhere I put the concealer with a light powder, and I'm going to use the MAC. I don't know why I'm looking at it like I'm reading it. There's a magnet. I can't. MAC Emphasize. The shade number is shade name is Emphasize. I'm going to use a Morphe 438 brush. Next, I'm going to use a CoverFX pressed mineral foundation powder in the shade in 20 and a random BH brush. BH? BH? Yeah, BH Cosmetics. In the next clip, I say something. Ugh, I know I say it, and I hate that I say it. But this is, would this be a meme? This is what it reminded me of, and it is quite true. Okie dokie, artichoke. Now we do my eyebrows, and I hate my eyebrows. They look like shit every single time I do them. But you just can't not do them. So, first I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I'm gonna brush the hairs, I don't know, up I guess in the front, and then, do you care? No, they look like shit. Next I am going to use precisely my brow pencil by Benefit in the color Taupe. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows once again with the clear brow gel. Now I'm going to warm up my face with the Hourglass Ambient bronzing powder and Luminous bronze light. I'm going to use the MAC 135 brush. Now I'm going to use the Hourglass Ambient oil powder and Luminous light and put this flipping everywhere. I'm going to use a Morphe M500 brush. So I like to put highlight everywhere but my forehead right here, because I find it looks like really crusty after like a few hours. So everywhere but my forehead. And then I'm gonna go in, that was my pre-highlighting stage. Now I'm gonna highlight with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambreezy highlight. I'm gonna use an Anastasia A43, A23, 23 brush and now I'm going to get my finger and put some of this highlight in the inner corner of my eyeball. I'm going to put a little bit of that bronzer in my crease with a random brush, fluffy brush, in my crease. I feel like it looks just too white. Now I'm going to put on mascara. I used the CoverGirl CLump Crusher in Blackest Black. And put that on my lashes. Now I'm going to brush through my lash extensions to get all of the powder off of them. Is it raining? Whoa, it is so hot. And now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And now for the final step is to put on some chappity doodahs. Chapstick. I use Aquaphor. Okay, so the outro I filmed for this video was really bad and really cringy and just weird. So if you like this video, make sure to like it down below, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos if there's any up. Spit, that's disgusting. But I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, do those things I said before. Comment down below whatever you want, what face up you want me to do, I'll do it, maybe. But yeah, hope you guys are having a great day, and bye!